respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's birthday. In this occasion, I would like to share a message of our beloved Prophet which I learned in my class. He was the kindest and wisest person who ever lived. Our Prophet taught us many wonderful things. One of the most important things he taught us is about being a good person. He said, أكمل المؤمنين إيمانا أحسنهم خلقا. That is, the best of believers is one whose character is the best. This means that how we behave is very important to our faith. I conclude my speech now. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.